Hello everybody, welcome, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing and going over the features of the MKIGHUB. So this is a 5-in-2 USB-C hub for the MacBook Pro. So it's going to have two USB 2.0 ports. It's also going to have a Thunderbolt port, and then it's going to have a SD card and a micro SD card slot. So let's open this up. Taking it out of the little wrapper here. It's a very small box, like it could fit in the palm of my hand. Opening it up and sliding it out. Wow, you know, it's pretty light. Obviously it's very portable, but it has like a nice metallic feel to it, and it actually seems like a pretty good quality product. Taking out the little plastic covering pieces, and here it is. So here you have your Thunderbolt, your two USB 3.0 SD card slot, and micro SD. Here I have an SD card, and let's just try putting it in. And just to see how it looks, I'm gonna plug up all the other ports as well. As you can see here, the product fits very well inside of the MacBook Pro. And overall for this product, it will provide you two USB ports, micro SD and SD card slots that your MacBook Pro does not provide you. This product here will run you $10.99, and the provided link will be in the description below. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, please post them down below. I'll be happy to answer them. If you guys enjoyed the video, please don't forget to click that like button and subscribe. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.